Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are opening any file for preview and you are seeing the error, the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first you need to select your file and right click on that. After that, click on property. In bottom you will find your option security. This file came from another computer and might be blocked. To help protect this computer, you have to just unblock this, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, again you have to right click on that, click on property, then click on advanced. Then you have to make sure you have uncheck this option, encrypt content to secure data. You have to uncheck this option. If it is tick mark, you have to just remove this tick mark, then click on OK, click on apply, then click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.